Hello, you're welcome. How you doing? So today I made for you this makeup look suitable for church. If you like to see how I got all of this done, do stay tuned. I'm prepping my lids with this concealer by Adventure Makeup in Topaz. I use this brush to blend. I've got this brush from the 32-piece brush set by Morphe Blush. I'm using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer that I just placed on my lids. For my eyeshadow look of today, I'll be using the Nuban II eyeshadow palette by Juvia, and I'll be taking that shade called Morocco on a blending brush, okay, to apply all over the crease. I'll be making circular motions and I try to fit that a bit better because I've not applied my foundation. I'll not be carried away. This is my contour powder by Maybelline. Okay, so I'll be using this still to define my crease on a blending brush. I'll not take it as high up as Morocco, so I'll just leave it this outer edges here. The blending brush is angled and I'm enjoying it. Then I'll take that brush I used to apply Morocco and blend everything back together. And I leave it a little bit of Morocco too, so you can blend. I'll use this flat brush and apply my contour shade all over my lids. Press, release, press, release. That's how I apply my lid shade. I'll take my eyeliner and line my upper lash line. I will apply my face primer before applying my lashes because I am waiting for my eyeliner to dry. The face primer is by Zaron Cosmetics. These are my lashes for today, and I am looking for something a bit more natural and everyday wear because I'm going to church. I'll be applying my eyeliner to hide the band. Now we'll go to the face. I've already applied my foundation. No, not my foundation. I've already applied my primer, but I think I'm going to reapply another thing because I think my primer must have dried a little too much. So I'm taking the Prep and Prime by MAC. Looks like this, which is what I'm going to apply now. For my foundation today, I'm using Mary Kay foundation in bronze 600. I'm applying that using this Kabuki face brush, and I'll be applying in stages. My forehead, then from my forehead I go to my cheeks. The reason I'm doing that is because when I want to go over the face at once, I get anxious. So just to control myself, I'll take the time to blend. Then I'll pick up this stippling brush, then staple the product into my skin just to give it a very smooth finish. Time to highlight my face, so I'm back with this concealer by Adventure Makeup, and I'll blend that in using a damp sponge. I'll blend my contour in using the same sponge. I'm applying Sacha Buttercup on the tip of the nose to demarcate my nose contour. time to set my contour using this brush by Bobbi Brown. I'm setting my contour with my powder. Okay. Powder time. I'm using this powder by Zaron. With this pencil that I got from my sister's collection. I can't really tell what the name is. I like it kind of the fade. So if you have a brown lip liner, you can use it. TrueLover lipstick. I'll go over that with a clear shimmery gloss. Actually got over my lower lash line with Morocco shade and contour shade. Those colors are applied on my crease. Let me just show you what I did. I didn't apply any pencil liner because I don't want my eyes to look too close then. If anything, I would want to apply a white liner. It's okay. So time for mascara, and yeah, I'm using this mascara by Zaron. It is the Lengthening mascara. Highlighter time. Go on the highest points of the cheekbone, tip of my nose, my tear dots. Then I intensify my backbone highlight. The look is complete. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. For details, and share with your friends. For details of products mentioned I use, please check in the description box below. If you have questions, requests of videos you'd like to see on the channel, comments, please drop in the comment section. Remember, you are a star and you have what it takes to shine. And also, please do good to others out there. Do take care of yourself and have a lovely day. Bye.